It's only the first quarter of 2026 pero si Pixar give na give kaagad yung performance sa bago nilang movie na Hoppers. Sa mga hindi pa nakakalam ng movie, yung Hoppers follows a girl named Mabel who uses experimental technology para ilipat yung kanyang utak sa robotic animal so she can secretly live among wildlife and help protect the swamp that she and her grandmother holds dear. Once she enters the animal world, things get complicated, especially when humans and animals started clashing over the future of the swamp. Alam niyo, isa sa mga gumulat sa akin sa movie na 'to is yung unexpected na dark humor from a Pixar film. Kasi some of the jokes are really dark. It's a bit wild, but they landed really well and medyo na-mask yung fact na it's wild because of how playful the visuals are. Story-wise, simple lang siya but in a good way because the movie doesn't try too hard to dig deep just to make the story interesting. And that actually works to its advantage. Hindi ka ganong like super mag-iisip sa movie. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko sa movie na 'to is how they treat their characters. Humans are already complex in nature, so it makes sense that everyone has shown both good and bad sides. And you can clearly see that with Mabel and Jerry. Ay nga pala, sino pala mga favorite yung character dito? Nakakatuwa din yung ibang Easter egg sa ibang Pixar films na pinakita dito. Kasi para siyang reward sa mga long-time Pixar fans. All in all, this is a feel-good, must-watch film for the whole family, especially with all the lessons that you can get about protecting nature and caring for animals. I'm also pretty sure na magiging classic to sa mga generation ng mga kids today. And that's it for me. Bye!